Okay, not perfectly clean, but I believe we're going to replace these heads in 1 or 2 cycles. But this is what the fan blades, remember the mildew? All the gray, white, fuzzy stuff? Now you can see all the way through to the other side. This is what the fan blade should look like. All right, that's what it should look like. This all looks like dirt. This is all mold. That's all mildew growth. That's everything that came down. Luckily, this is a plant place. If not, I would condemn these and it wouldn't even bother cleaning them. I'd just cut them off and put new ones on. So much labor would be involved in cleaning these correctly and taking them off and everything like that. It would just be replacement, scrap the system. But a pressure washer, and you have to hold the blade and not spin it and damage it. There's a way to do it without damaging the thing. But yeah, that was a lot more work and harder to get up. Actually, before I left, after I pressure washed them and I put the cleaner on them, I had to spray them with cleaner again. I went and did 2 other jobs. I came back 2.5 hours later, pressure washed them again, and they're still a little bit dirty. That was like a homeless encampment. 6 people lived in a car. It was used for a brothel for 10 years. Nobody showered, and they spread it on your sandwich. I feel like I need to take a shower, like I've been violated. My cleaning equipment needs sterilization and cleaning. It was so dirty. All right, guys, checking out of this set full. See you later.